morning, internet. So today I'm fixing Allie's iPhone since I broke that the other day when we were in Hawaii. I was trying to film with a GoPro and everyone was like, Charles, don't bring that in there. But the thing with the GoPro is you need to use this as a viewfinder, and naturally I slipped face first. I think some of the other people have it online. I think it was actually somebody was doing a live show, and I went face first in the water with the iPhone. Expected. So busy today. All they could do is they put us as a face the wall, hands up. We're getting searched by the Apple police. Allie's getting the vlog up so it's on time. The last couple days we've had some issues with the internet. As Allison would call it, was it coconut Wi-Fi? She kept calling it coconut Wi-Fi. Her little pumpkin spice latte.
I know, don't touch me.
And I'm sitting here on the corner of the Apple store just trying to make sure I can get her phone like restored. An awesome We the Kings fan actually just helped me out. And there was a CTFXC fan in here that would help us out.
It's pretty cool.
I love this Apple store.
I gotta tell you guys something. This doesn't taste good anymore compared to the coffee we had in Hawaii. Yeah.
Of course.
Alice said to make her send me some.
They lost your bag though.
Freaking lost my bag.
Anyway, so I was like sitting here waiting and I'm like, oh, look at that tall blonde. Look how she's kind of hot. And I looked over and it was Allie just walking right by. So she's lucky that I thought she was hot, otherwise she would have just kept walking by.
Well, honey, I'm so glad you thought I was hot.
Allie has a brand new phone because I broke the other one. I want a new phone.
Thank you, honey.
You want mine?
That one dropped in the water.
Did we tell you guys that mine like actually got submerged in water, and Allie's just got dripped, and hers broke and mine's fine. Here's a little tip. If you guys are ever hungry and at the mall, all you gotta do is walk by the Chinese or the Japanese like steakhouse foods. You'll always get the samples. Just do that a couple times, put a hat on, some sunglasses, you won't be hungry anymore. It's called being smart. It's a little tip. It's like they forgot something in manufacturing.
I still think they're so cool. I love them.
Yeah, that's the word.
You don't like them?
They make me feel uncomfortable.
I love them.
I feel incredibly uncomfortable when I see those on you. Come here, tiny turtle. It's a baby ninja turtle. We're gonna go to the water. Come on. You're so tiny. You are freaking adorable. All right, let's go over here. Try not to cross the road next time, you idiot. She's gonna be so tiny and light. You're on a lily pad now. Enjoy your life. I owe you, I'll accept it. It's always so rewarding when you save a baby turtle. Actually, that's the first turtle that size I've actually ever seen alive on the side of the road. So we're gonna go eat lunch right now. And since obviously Allie's right here, we're gonna do a flashback to where yesterday or the other day where she was in the volcano, but we weren't able to get it in the
crazy stuff you've ever seen in your entire life. It was so crazy, it was so scary. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
She's a little excited. So while we go eat lunch, I'm gonna cut to Allie's footage of her in a volcano, and then I'll be right back.
I was in a volcano.
Simmer down. Oh my god. Take a deep breath.
It was so fucking great.
Take a deep breath.
Sorry, guys, seriously, it was, this trip was so incredible.
Deep breath.
Sorry.
Oh wow! You feel that? Yeah. That's hot. Be careful.
Wow.
Okay. Allie! Oh, you hear that?
Yes.
Where is everyone?
I don't know.
Guys, we're like in a cave right now.
Watch your head.
Ansley, you gotta step right here.
Guys, we're in a...
I just have to make a break. This is sketchy. Like, I don't get sketched out, but I don't like lightning.
Just see, guys, this place that we're at, it is like so sharp.
This is cold. It's not worth it. If you run, you're gonna walk though.
Oh, I'm not a survivor. Allison, you alright?
You make a break and just get back.
Fallon! Stay down! Stay down! Actually, something that's it's kind of terrifying because we're on unstable rock. It's hot. There's steam coming up from everything. It's kind of one of the scariest things I think I've ever. Honestly, now we're all having like second thoughts about why the hell we're out here. Seriously, an epic trip, guys. Unforgettable. Doing things I don't know if I want to do again. Guys, in the storm, we lost everyone, so we're trying to find them all. Right, Jack?
This is crazy. There was hell. Did you guys see that? You guys were in the cave and we were under this. No, you don't understand. We slept over here.
Found the group, and we're actually going to head back. We're not going to keep going because it's just too dangerous. And we're going to go to the giant lava tube. Fallon?
I look like Mother Teresa in this thing.
Yeah, she's in high spirits, which is awesome. I feel like I'm in Dante's Peak right now. Real life Dante's Peak. Let's go, Fallon. We're running, guys.
Casino.
I said I would take care of your girl. Well, yep. I did my best. Just trying.
I did my best.
Oh, girl, you have no idea.
Somebody definitely took one of those flowers that Allison was talking about. Hawaiian witchcraft or something. Look at that. It's taking me to the house.
We've been on this. Say hello to Charles and say you're welcome for the great footage. I know. You're welcome, honey. We're like risking our lives to do this right now. We wish you were here. Video postcard. I'm telling you.
We are walking into a lava tube right now. So guys, basically lava flowed through here and created this tube that we're in, and it's pretty big. I mean, considering. So guys, we made it to the lava tube. We made it into a crater. We made it through a crazy lightning storm. We made it into a cave.
We didn't die.
We didn't die. We survived all of this. Definitely one of those adventures that I'm gonna remember for the rest of my life. Oh my god, this is crazy. We made it. We totally made it. We made it.
Okay.
But you don't want to piss off Pele. She's a very sacred goddess around here, and that's why they say do not take lava rocks, because if you do, my friend used to work here, and they would get pounds of lava sent back, saying please return this.
Wow.
Because all my family have died, we've gotten sick, everything bad happens. So be careful. Respect Pele. We love you,
Everybody,
Pele.
we love you, Pele. We made it back safely. We're all back in the car.
We just made it out of the crater.
And now I think we're gonna go check out the lava flow.
It's like Children of the Corn gone Hawaii.
Oh no!
Oh yay!
That's terrible.
I can't even see where I'm driving.
I know. We have no idea. We're gonna go check out the lava flow. It's kind of like in the distance, I think, right there. Is that where it is? It's kind of crappy out though, so I'm not sure how well the visibility is gonna be from like what Allison is telling us. There's just a crazy kind of storm that went on, so it's really making visibility almost non-existent. So that's where we were today, guys, right over here. This is kind of the museum at the top of Volcano. There's a lava flow right out there. Obviously, you guys just saw. Right now, we're gonna post a few of the pictures so you guys can see what we just saw. It's a little cloudy, but still, there's a lot of awesome things that you get to see. And I guess these are lava rocks, right?
Different stages of lava.
Yeah. So crazy.
This is ah because when you walk on it, you go ah. Different types.
That's crazy. Here, Allison's Adventures, guys. She's the one who takes pictures. Yeah, make sure you go check them out because she's gonna show so much of the awesome stuff that we did today. Which honestly, I can't show it all, so you gotta go check her out. That's actually lava. Yeah. That's nuts.
Let's see if they have a picture of Pele's face. Okay.
Do they? Well, what's this?
So they were doing.
We're watching a wall explode and lava comes out of it.
Wow. Thing collapsed. Look, watch. It was this year apparently, and it exploded because of the. Wow. That was this year in May. That's nuts. So this is how do you say that? Kilauea Volcano Summit.
Just imagine if we saw that in Hawaii. I'd be done. I would be done. I would have flown out the same day. And we're back from the volcanoes.
We really gotta clean the house. Oh, no.
I know, I told Zoe and Marley to clean the house and they didn't do it.
I feel like you came in like a wrecking ball.
Okay, open it. Focus. Come on, good girl. See, when you focus, you can do things.
Sit down, please. Marley.
Alright, internet, hope you enjoyed today's video, and I have got to say, I can only say it sucks that I couldn't be there, but I'm glad Allie was like a little reporter, on-scene reporter on that one. Tomorrow I'm actually going to the seizure doctor, so hopefully this guy actually is like, knows what's going on, so wish me luck, guys. Next trip is actually this weekend. I'll be at Bufferfest in Toronto. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. Subscribe here, and for all the fun and the action. So, bye guys. Doodles! It's actually working. That volume needs to be up way more there, Ben.
It's in a case, it doesn't do anything. This is loud on my phone.